This video introduces configExplorer, a new way of understanding and exploring how your InterSystems IRIS servers have been configured. configExplorer is an extension for Visual Studio Code. It adds a command button to servers in the InterSystems Server Manager tree. Let's explore how the deltangi server is configured. We use a popular tool called Structurizr to render a set of diagrams. Our deltangi server connects over ECP to several others. Let's explore how one of these servers, dev, is configured. It has an ECP connection back to the deltangi server. Let's now look at a diagram of dev's namespaces and databases. There are a lot, so we'll maximize the browser and zoom in. And scroll across. We can immediately see how the deltangi namespace accesses two databases, a local one for its routines and a remote one for its globals. This is just a taste of how configExplorer can help you understand the architecture of your InterSystems server infrastructure and communicate about it with others. Thanks for watching.